let's get started using Workflowy. In a moment, I'll show you some great templates you can use as a starting point to get organized. But first, let's quickly go over some of the basics. Let's open up the basic tutorial. One of the most powerful things about Workflowy is that it's an infinite document that lets you nest items as many levels down as you want. When you have nested bullets, you can expand and collapse them by clicking the triangle on the left side of the bullet, like this. Each bullet can also be its own document. Just click on the bullet to open it. This lets you focus in on any part of your document and add as much information as you want. You can move bullets around simply by clicking and dragging the bullet to its new location. When you want to create a new bullet, just hit Enter on your keyboard. To indent a bullet, you hit Tab, and to outdent a bullet, hit Shift and Tab at the same time. Finally, you can click the icon with the 3 dots on the left of any bullet to access more options. From here, you can do things like complete a bullet, add a note, share, and even delete, plus a ton of other advanced features. As you can see, there are a lot more things you can do in Workflowy, but for now, that should be enough to get you started. Now let's jump back to the template section. We'll do that by clicking on the home icon in the menu bar to go home. And we'll click the templates bullet to zoom in. Here we have several templates that you can use as a starting point. We have templates for tracking goals, grocery shopping, holding meetings, and even managing team projects. Let's take a look at the to-do board template. Each template has the same layout. We have an About This Template section that gives us a bit of context about the template, an instructions section that explains how to use the template step by step, and finally the template itself. In this case, it's a Kanban-style board with columns labeled Today, Tomorrow, Upcoming, and Done, plus some tags to get us started. Let's duplicate this template so we can move it into our home section and edit it there. To do that, we'll use the bullet menu, but you can also use the keyboard shortcut displayed next to it. Next, we'll open up the left sidebar by clicking the hamburger menu icon. The sidebar is super useful for moving things from one place in Workflowy to another, and we simply drag and drop the to-do board into the sidebar. We'll now close the sidebar and go home. Now let's get rid of the copy tag and zoom into the to-do board. The way you use this template is by starting each week by filling out the upcoming column with everything you need to take care of for that week. I'll add a couple of items by clicking the plus icon to add new cards. You can also just press Enter the same way we did to add new bullets in lists. Next, I'll tag some of these items to make it easier for me to filter them later. You can either use the hashtag symbol or the @ symbol to create a tag. Once you have all your to-dos filled and tagged, you move today's items to the Today column. And we move cards the same way we move bullets, by dragging and dropping them. The only difference is that in boards, the bullets are on the right side. We can click on any tag to filter the document we're currently looking at. For example, let's click on the work tag, and you can see how only items that have the tag are displayed. We can click the tag again to remove the filter. At the end of the day, you move the cards so they'll be ready in their correct column for tomorrow. This is a simple way to keep track of what you need to take care of today, easily see what upcoming tasks you have for tomorrow, and also get a sense of accomplishment as more and more items move from the left side of the board to the right side of the board. Finally, let's say I want to make it easy for me to check my to-do board from anywhere. I just need to click the star in the menu bar to add that document to a special section in the sidebar called Starred. Now I can always quickly check my to-do board from anywhere in Workflowy. And we've barely scratched the surface of what Workflowy can do. If you want to quickly get up to speed and become a Workflowy black belt, check out the template section and the advanced tutorial section, which are right here. Pick out a couple of the templates you think could be useful and try them out. And when you're ready to learn about more powerful features, dive into the advanced tutorial section where we show you how to get the most out of Workflowy. So what are you waiting for? Get started, and we can't wait to see what you come up with.